So here you can see I'm showing you one diagram of the layers of the atmosphere given in your book. Everyone check that diagram. In short, we'll understand about those 5 layers of the atmosphere. We all know these layers are divided on the basis of the composition, temperature and other properties. We all know composition from the surface of the earth as will go in height, it varies. The amount of gases, temperature, dust particles, water vapor, they are not same from the surface to the upper layer of the atmosphere. They varies from place to place. They are different here, then they will be different here, then they will be different here, then they will be different here. So temperature, composition and properties varies from place to place. On that basis, this atmosphere, this layer of the atmosphere from the surface to the outer space, that varies from place to place. So on the basis of temperature, composition and different particles present, it is this layer, this atmosphere, which is the blanket of air. The layer of the air is divided into 5 layers. Okay, this atmosphere is divided into 5 layers. We'll start with the first layer. So first layer is known as troposphere. As you can see here, it is written troposphere. So this is land. Suppose this is land. The troposphere starts from the surface of the earth. Okay, it starts from the surface of the earth. At the poles, its width, it is 8 kilometer. Its extent is from the surface of the earth till 8 kilometer at the poles. Okay, while at the equator, its total extent is from the surface of the earth till 18 kilometer at the poles. We all know it bulges at the equator and flattened at the poles. Okay, earth is bulges at the equator and flattened at the poles. That is why the extent is different. Troposphere starts from the surface of the earth and it continues till 18 kilometer, but at poles its extent is from the surface of the earth till 8 kilometer, and at the equator its extent of the troposphere is from the surface till 18 kilometer. Okay, due to that shape of the earth. Okay, now this is the first layer, troposphere. Now we will move to the second layer, stratosphere. Okay, so second layer mainly starts where troposphere ends. So its extent is from tropopause till 50 kilometer in the atmosphere. Okay, so where troposphere ends, stratosphere starts, and it extends till 50 kilometer in the atmosphere. After that, we have third layer of the atmosphere known as mesosphere. Mesosphere, total extent of the mesosphere is from 50 kilometer to 80 kilometer. Mesosphere starts where stratosphere ends. So that end boundary of the stratosphere is known as stratopause. As the end boundary of troposphere known as tropopause, in the same way end boundary of the stratosphere known as stratopause. This dotted line, stratopause. And from this boundary, from the 50 kilometer to 80 kilometer, the zone in the atmosphere is a third layer of the atmosphere known as mesosphere. Okay, now next layer we'll talk about thermosphere. So fourth layer in the atmosphere is thermosphere, and its total extent is from 80 kilometer to 450 kilometer. Means where mesosphere ends, thermosphere starts, this dotted line, and the ending zone of the mesosphere is known as mesopause. So where mesosphere ends, thermosphere starts, total extent 80 kilometer to 450 kilometer. This is the fourth layer, thermosphere. Now fifth layer of the atmosphere is exosphere. Where thermosphere ends, exosphere starts. Okay, where fourth layer ends at thermopause, from there fifth layer starts, known as exosphere, and its extent starts from 450 kilometer and it merges with the outer space. There is not definite extent of it, okay, because it is not very clear that what is the exact extent of exosphere. So roughly we understand, because we don't have much information about this exosphere layer. So so this much is enough to know that it starts where thermosphere ends at 450 kilometer, and then it merges with the outer space. Okay, so these are the 5 layers of the atmosphere: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. Troposphere, surface to 8 at the poles and 18 kilometer at the equator. End boundary of the troposphere, tropopause. Stratosphere starts where troposphere ends from the tropopause till 50 kilometer. Stratosphere ends at 50 kilometer. The end zone is known as stratopause. From there, third layer start mesosphere, which extend till 80 kilometer, 50 to 80 kilometer. Its area in between 50 to 80 kilometer. Mesosphere ends at 80 kilometer. That end zone is known as mesopause, from where thermosphere starts, and the total extent of thermosphere is from 80 kilometer to 450 kilometer. Where thermosphere ends, that end zone is known as thermopause. From there, exosphere starts, and it finally merges with the outer space. Okay, so this is all about these 5 layers of the atmosphere. I hope you understand the extent and the location. Now we'll talk about the characteristics of all these 5 layers in detail, so that you understand, because characters, as you all know, temperature, composition, properties of these 5 layers are not same. In the same way, the characteristics of each and every layer is not same. The characteristic varies from the lower layer to the upper layer. Okay, whatever characteristics we'll talk about the troposphere, that is not same in stratosphere, that is not same in mesosphere or in any other layer. So characteristics varies from one layer to other layer. So now we'll talk about the characteristics of each layer in detail. I hope in this video you understand about all 5 layers of the atmosphere, from the surface to the outer space, and their extent and their end zone, what it is called. So this is all about it. Go through this video, understand the location and extent, and after this, through audio, I'll explain you the characteristics of each layer which is not same. Okay.